Hey guys, it's Barb. Thank you for watching. Ever since I started using these products on my lips, I get so many compliments pretty much on a daily basis from other people. Like literally strangers come to me and ask me what's on my lips, or they tell me that they look really good. And also some other people believe that I got lip filler. To be honest, I take this as a compliment because that means that my lips look big and I'm here for it. So in today's video I thought it would be a good idea to share with you the products that I use on my lips and also show you how I use them so you can get your own compliments and also help you make your lips look bigger. Okay guys, so we will do a full face of makeup together. I also want to try a couple of products that I bought recently, and at the end we'll do the lips together, so stay till the end to see the final result. To be honest with you, I'm not sure if it was a good idea to wear these big hoops on a makeup video, but it's okay, we will make it work. So I will start with foundation. This is the Kaya Cosmetics Front Row. I have it in a shade 3W. I tried it in a recent video and I really liked it. This is the only foundation I used the past 2 weeks or something, and I really like it. I think it looks really good on the skin. Okay guys, so the next thing I'm going to use is this concealer. It's again from this brand called Kaya Cosmetics. So guys, on the video that I created with this makeup brand, I said that this concealer wasn't really my favorite because I thought it was quite heavy, and I personally prefer a medium to light coverage to pretty much every makeup product. So I really wanted to try it one more time in this video because when I tried for the first time, I think I put a lot of product under my eye and also around my nose, so it was quite a lot for me. So in this video I want to try to put less amount under my eyes to see if there will be a difference. Okay, I will do only a small dot like this and 2 small dots around my nose. Okay guys, so it looks so much better under the eyes now. So as you can see, it's not always about the product, but it depends on the amount of product that you put on your face. It gives you a little bit of coverage, and of course we want that, but at the same time it's not too heavy. And also this concealer, it's buildable, so you can add as much as you want. Okay guys, so the next thing I'm going to use is this product. Is the Sephora Best Skin Ever. So I know that this is a concealer, but I bought it in a darker shade, as you can see. I bought it in a shade 53.5 because I want to use it as a liquid bronzer. I don't know if this is going to work, but I really wanted to try it. Okay, just because I don't know if it's easy to blend, I will only add 1 dot like this, and on the other side, and I will do this much. Every time I try new products I'm very excited, but at the same time I'm very nervous because I don't know if they will look good on the face. Ooh. Okay guys, I think it's very blendable and I really like the color. Okay, I love it. Ooh, look at this contour. I think I put too much. I look like Rudolph. Okay, it's super easy to blend, but I think I put too much color on my nose and now it doesn't look contoured at all. I think I blend the whole color, right? So the next thing I want to try is this liquid blush. It's from the Rare Beauty by Miss Selena Gomez. I bought the shade Joy. It's this one. So guys, everyone is going crazy with this liquid blush, and I think it's the most popular makeup product of your makeup line. So yeah, I really want to try it and see if it's worth the hype. Okay, I will put only 1 dot up here. Okay, maybe a little bit more. And the same I will do on this side. And I will take the beauty blender again. Oh my god. I'm so obsessed with this color. It's quite pigmented, so thank god I only put 1 small dot. I won't do the same mistake that I did with the concealer on that Kaya Cosmetics video. So far so good. I'm obsessed. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do, as you can tell, is to use powder. I'm still using this Fenty Beauty Pro Filter powder. I haven't bought a new one yet. Do you get sweaty on your upper lip? Because I do. And it's so annoying and I feel very embarrassed every time it happens. And also it happens when I'm at the gym, and every time someone comes to me and talks to me, I'm always like, I try to make sure that I don't have sweat on my upper lip. I don't feel uncomfortable in generally when I get sweaty at the gym, but I feel very uncomfortable when I have a sweaty upper lip. Okay, so next I will do eyebrows. I will use this NYX micro brow pencil. Next we have the clear brow gel. I will put a little bit of bronzer on my eyelid. Okay guys, I put a little bit of mascara on off camera so I can move on to the moment that you both be waiting for, the lips. Okay guys, so the only two products that you need for the lips are... Ta-da! So we have the lip liner by NYX Suede in the shade Los Angeles, and also we have this lip sleeping mask by Laneige. These two products are literally your lifesaver. So the most important thing about this combination is to find a lip liner, a shade actually, that is very similar to the color of your natural lips. And this is the key because we want our lips to look as natural as possible and we don't want them to look like we were something, you know? So this sleeping mask not only will leave your lips very hydrated, but also it will leave them very soft and visibly smooth. And one more reason that I like this product, guys, is that it doesn't have color in it, so it will give this glow to our lips, but at the same time we will keep the natural color of our lips. And this is what we're looking for. I start very, very lightly, and also with my finger I will blend it a little bit. You see, it looks very much like my natural color. And the same I will do on the upper lip. Okay, and now to the final product. I will use the lip sleeping mask. Okay guys, and here we have the final result. Don't tell me that my lips don't look bigger, because that would be a lie. So guys, this combination is literally the best thing ever. So I literally swear by them. I would highly recommend to try these two products together. So guys, that was the video for today. Thank you so much for watching if you come this far. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Write me in the comments below what you want to see next. You can also follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. And I will hopefully see you to my next video. Bye!